Hi everyone, my name is Delna and I am here at Selvian Park on Wurundjeri Woiwurrung country. I acknowledge the elders past and present and thank them for caring for this land for thousands of years. As I walk through the park, I notice a large fallen tree trunk on the ground. The bark feels rough and the inside is hollow. I think it might be from a eucalyptus tree, slowly decaying over time. I wonder how long it has been here and what tiny insects or animals might be living inside. Nature itself becomes a teacher when we observe and question what we see. I also wonder how these logs help new plants and small creatures grow, showing how life and decay are connected. Half of the park is in its shade, while the other half is bright under the sun. I hear birds calling to each other. I notice a crow with a small crown like head, and I wonder if it's only visit in spring to build its nest. Seasonal changes help us to explore cycles of life and notice patterns in nature. I also wonder how weather and seasons change the sound, smells, and life in this park. As I walk further, I see a pathway leading to the creek. The path is curving and winding, just like a snake. I wonder how water and landscape create these nature patterns and how animals might use them to travel safely. I see tiny ants marching in straight lines along the concrete path. I wonder how they communicate and know where to go. Observing small detail encourage inquiry-based learning where curiosity leads to discovery. Nearby, I notice a group of rocks, some smooth, others sharp, with holes and rough texture. I wonder how wind, rain, and time shape them, and what minerals they might contain. The rocks show how the environment become a hands-on laboratory for observation and investigation. At the creek, I see a small stream of clear water flowing gently. The sunlight sparkles on the surface, making the water glitter. I notice green algae growing on the rocks under the water. I wonder why algae grow mostly where the sunlight reaches. When I touch it, I feel slimy and soft. I wonder how the algae helps keep the water clean. I also wonder if small creatures like insects or tiny fish live among the algae and use it for food or shelter. Further ahead, the land started to slope and the water flowed faster down the hill. I wonder why the water moved to curve to the slope and how the shape of the land affects its flow. I noticed that some rocks and soils have shifted slightly on the slope. I wonder if the water flow moves them over time. I also see plants growing along the edges and I wonder how the slopes help challenges them to stay rooted. I see a duck swimming in the creek. As it moves, the ripples from the semicircle on the water. I wonder how the duck's body creates the shapes and how it keeps balance while gliding on flowing water. Observing this makes me think like a scientist noticing patterns in nature and asking questions about how land, water, plants and animals all work together. Thank you for listening me.